In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your files in Google Sheets. This short tutorial will walk you through each step so you can easily manage your files using Google's handy spreadsheet tool. First, let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to Google Drive. If you're not quite sure how to get there, simply type drive.google.com into the address bar. This will take you to Google Drive's main homepage. Here's a quick tip. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. If not, the login page will prompt you, and you'll need your Google credentials handy to proceed. Once you're in Google Drive, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll notice a button labeled with a plus sign labeled New. Go ahead and click on it. What this does is open a drop-down menu giving you several options to create or upload something new. From this menu, select File Upload. This option allows you to upload a file from your computer to your Google Drive. You'll see a dialog box pop up on your screen. It's similar to the file browser on your computer and enables you to navigate through your folders. The next step is to locate the file you wish to upload. This can be anything from a spreadsheet, a document, or perhaps an image, whatever you need to work with in Google Sheets. Once you find the file, click on it to select, then hit the Open button. This action starts the upload process, which, depending on your file size and internet speed, should only take a moment. Now, after the file has successfully uploaded, it should be easy to locate in your Google Drive. A little trick to find it quickly is to check the Recent section, or simply use the search bar at the top and type in the name of your file. Once you've got your file in view, right-click on it. Doing so will bring up another menu of options. Look for Open With and hover your mouse over it. You'll see an option for Google Sheets. Click on this, and what happens next is quite fascinating. The file will open up in a new tab, and just like that, it's been transformed into a Google Sheet. This means you can now edit, share, and collaborate on the file with others in real time. It's this seamless integration and easy sharing capabilities that make Google Sheets such a powerful tool for managing data. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a file to Google Sheets. With this skill, you're set to efficiently manage your documents and collaborate with ease. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.